If you run WordPress with the WPFunnels plugin, check your version, log settings, and admin exposure now. Today's lead issue is CVE 2026-14345, rated critical with CVSS 9.8. It affects WPFunnels, funnel builder for WooCommerce with checkout and one-click upsell, in versions up to and including 3.12.7. The practical impact is remote code execution on the WordPress server under a specific but serious workflow. The MVD description says attacker-controlled post data can be written into a PHP includable log file, and that file can later be rendered through the plugin's log viewer. Exploitation depends on logs being enabled and an administrator opening the polluted log through the plugin interface. Still, the injection step is described as unauthenticated, with network access, low complexity, and no privileges required. Defenders should update as soon as a fixed release or vendor guidance is available, disable unnecessary plugin logs, restrict admin access, and review web and plugin logs for suspicious activity. Second, CVE 2026-8377 is a high-severity missing authorization flaw in Armiya Information Technologies Access Control System, also called GKS, before version 2. It carries CVSS 8.2 and CVE-862. The risk is unauthorized collection of data from common resource locations. The defensive move is straightforward: confirm whether GKS is present, verify the version, and move to version 2 or follow the official advisory. Third, CVE 2025-71364 matters for Python, machine learning, and AI supply chains. It affects picklescan before 0.0.30 and is rated high, CVSS 8.1. Picklescan is used to inspect Python pickle files, a format often found around model and data workflows. The issue is CVE-502, deserialization of untrusted data. A crafted pickle could evade detection by the scanner and later execute code if another process loads it. Do not treat model artifacts or pickle files as harmless data. Update picklescan to 0.0.30 or later, isolate pipelines that handle third-party artifacts, and prefer safer serialization formats where possible. The defensive summary: inventory first, patch fast, reduce exposure, and monitor for abuse. For WordPress, focus on WPFunnels versions, logs, and admin access. For GKS, verify version 2. For AI and Python pipelines, treat pickles and downloaded models like executable code.